Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm trying a new recipe and it's called a Southern Fudge Cake. It seems easy, sounds good, I don't have to get out my mixer. It's a little bit of stovetop cooking, but not that big a deal. So I hope you enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. For my cake recipe, I've got 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of butter, 4 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 cup of water, a half a cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs beaten, and a teaspoon of vanilla. First of all, you want to combine your sugar, your flour, and your baking soda and just give it a good mix. I like using my whisk. Now in a saucepan, you want to add your butter, your cocoa, and your water. And you want to mix it and bring it to right before it becomes a boil. You don't want it to boil. Usually it's right when your butter melts, it's ready. Now you want to pour your chocolate mixture into your flour and sugar mixture and mix it up really well. Now you want to add in your buttermilk, your vanilla, and your beaten eggs and stir it in. Now you want to pour it into a 9x13 baking dish. Mine has been sprayed with the pan with the flour in it. And you want to have your oven preheated to 400 degrees. And you'll bake this for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. For my icing, I need a half a cup of butter, 4 tablespoons of cocoa, a third a cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 16 ounces of powdered sugar, and 1 cup of chopped nuts. I'm using pecans. You want to combine your butter, cocoa, and milk in a saucepan and bring it almost to a boil, but do not boil. Now stir in your vanilla, your sugar, and your nuts, and you want to spread it over a cake while it's hot. Now the way it was said, a cake while it's hot. It didn't say while the frosting was hot or while the cake was hot, while it was hot. So my cake is still warm and my icing is still hot. And this worked out great. Now let everything cool. And here's what it looks like. Alright, it's time to give it a taste test. Doesn't that look good? I'm excited. When they called it fudge, they got it right. That is a fudgy cake. It is so good. It'll be a keeper for sure. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.